Welcome to this tutorial on navigating Best Places neighborhood rankings. A comprehensive guide designed to provide you with a clear understanding of how to make the most out of this valuable resource. Best Places is a website that offers detailed rankings and comparisons of neighborhoods across the United States, covering various aspects such as cost of living, education, healthcare, and overall quality of life. To begin, it is essential to understand the criteria used by Best Places to rank neighborhoods. These criteria include factors like housing affordability, commute time, air quality, education, and crime rates. Understanding these criteria will help you tailor your search to your specific needs and priorities. When navigating the Best Places website, start by selecting the city or state you are interested in. You will then be presented with a list of neighborhoods, each with its overall ranking and score. It is crucial to look beyond the overall ranking and delve into the specific categories that matter most to you. For instance, if you have children, you may want to focus on neighborhoods with high rankings in education. Another key feature of Best Places is its comparison tool, which allows you to compare up to 3 neighborhoods side by side. This tool is invaluable for making informed decisions, as it enables you to weigh the pros and cons of different neighborhoods based on the factors that are important to you. In addition to the rankings and comparison tools, Best Places also offers detailed profiles of each neighborhood. These profiles include information on demographics, housing, schools, and local amenities. By reading these profiles, you can gain a deeper understanding of what each neighborhood has to offer and whether it aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. It is also important to keep in mind that neighborhood rankings can change over time due to various factors such as new developments, changes in crime rates, or shifts in demographics. Therefore, it is a good practice to check for updates and to use the rankings as a guide rather than the sole deciding factor. In conclusion, navigating Best Places neighborhood rankings requires a thoughtful and multifaceted approach. By understanding the criteria used for rankings, utilizing the comparison tool, reading neighborhood profiles, and staying updated, you can make the most out of this resource and find the best neighborhood for your needs. Remember, the key to finding the right neighborhood is to prioritize your needs and use the rankings as a guide to inform your decision.